Hey, what's up, all my beautiful people? Thanks for joining in. I'm NaRee, the Fly Chicago entrepreneur slash hairstylist slash experience in the abundance of life. And I just want to give a shout out to everybody that has been supporting me. Thank you. You beautiful and you have good taste. So let's talk about salon suites. Everybody always want to talk, but I'm gonna give y'all the tea. I've been in the salon suite for the past some odd years, none of your business, but I've been in there enough to be able to give my point of view. I'm also an ex booth renter, also an ex salon owner, also a ex person that worked in a commission salon. I enjoy being able to put my shoes, whatever. I enjoy the experience of all of them. So I'm gonna say this: for salon suites, don't treat it like a hobby. I hear a lot of people complaining about how much it costs. If you can't afford it, don't go. I do advise anyone that just get out of hair school to go and work in a commission-based salon or a booth rental salon so that you can find a source of community, which is really going to be needed to help you excel in entrepreneurship and in your styling techniques. No man is an island, and that community is really going to help bridge those gaps. For me, a salon suite is for creative introverts, people who do more personal one-on-one styling. And you have to really know your clientele. Some clients prefer to be in a beauty salon atmosphere. Some don't want to be one-on-one with you. They don't want all that alone time. They came to see, they want to see something, they want some action, they want to hear some conversations, they trying to solve some crimes. There's a lot going on, just the thing about your hair. It's a whole experience. So you want to tune into what your clientele experience, what you're giving to your clients and what they prefer for their experience. And don't treat it like a hobby. And number one, you have to clean up. That's one thing too. How you in a suite and it don't look like a suite. The inside, the outside should reflect the type of clientele you want to attract. And don't be so eager to move up into these places that claim they salon suites and you actually in a styling cubicle because you can hear everything that's going on. The toilet flush, then ain't even no water pressure because it wasn't even meant to be no salon. You got to make sure what you're getting into. Do your business and have a system. I would not advise anyone to be in a salon suite if you don't have a system and your finances together because it does cost, but it's worth the price, isn't it? It is a beautiful investment in yourself to be able to give your clientele that and give it to yourself because you're able to have one-on-one time, and then you can also use your salon suite to be able to do other things. It could be an extension of your beauty with the privacy of nobody going into your products, the privacy of being able to do things that you want to do that is aligned with the hair business that you see for your future. But don't ever hold your head, or don't even look down. Don't hold your head down on a salon because it gives. Everything gives, but you have to find out what gives for you. So keep the cleanliness. Don't treat it like a hobby. Do the marketing. Don't underprice your services. Don't mix your business with personal finances so that you can see where your money is going and how your cash is flowing. Don't overbook because don't nobody want to be caught up in that tight room with you and with one shampoo bowl and one dryer. Take your time. Again, build systems. Don't skip consultations either because you want to be able to take advantage of the times that you have booked so that your client can have a fair exchange of your time and your services. And don't stop learning. Invest in yourself. So, because while I'm by myself, I still have to invest in myself by taking classes to make sure I'm on top and do what you have to do. And if anybody need any one-on-one consultation for that, you could look me up. I'm here for you. I do virtual consultations at NaReeSallu.com. Thanks for listening. Continue to be blessed. Like, share, and comment. Give me your opinion. I do want to hear what you all think. It's very spectacular to get feedback, and I enjoy it. I know you all, I always got something to say. Let me hear it. I do comment back, so hurry up and start commenting so my stuff can go up and I could, you buy me something to eat and buy you something too. Thank you. Bye bye. Toodles. Love you. NaReeSallu.com. Bye bye, boo.